Everybody, again, Violet Rose gets the most delicious food, and I don't have, look, nothing. I can't order anything. I got food anxiety. It's terrible. What's going on, man? You know? I'm hungry, man. I want some kind of protein or something. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Anyway, look how delicious. A grilled chicken salad. No tomatoes, right? Yumma yumma in the tumma. You like it? So good. I'm so jealous. She can always order and not get nervous about her food intake, and I do. What should I get, guys? I can eat olives. Well, that's not dinner. Alright. What should I get, guys? Yeah, I'll have you the chicken. It tastes so good. I'll share Violet Rose's chicken. What's on your menu tonight?